Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. Start at the top of your mat with your feet together and take a few moments here to connect with the ground through your feet. Open your feet by spreading the toes, lengthening and widening the feet. Focus on having your back straight, lengthening your spine, and bring your hands into prayer position at the center of your chest. Feel the connection of your two hands at the center line of your body. Relax your face, your throat, and keep your chest open by gently rolling your shoulders back. On the next inhale, stretch up with your arms, lengthening your whole body. Bend forward and relax your head. You can always keep your knees bent if it's more comfortable for your lower back. On the next inhale, straighten your back, halfway lift. Hands on the floor, step back with both legs. From here you can lower down to the floor without the knees, or with the knees on the floor, it's easier. Upward facing dog position. There are two versions. If you are a complete beginner, then keep your knees on the floor and lift your pelvis as well, and focus on lengthening the spine. Keep the shoulders away from your ears. Lengthen even the back of your neck. Try to keep your chest open rather than this position. Try to open your chest as much as possible. And the full version is lifting your heels off the floor, opening the front of the spine, downward facing dog position. Relax your head, form a V shape of your body. Push your pelvis up and backwards and hold for 5 breath cycles or countings. 1, 2, 3. Relax your head completely. 4. And 5. Step forward with both legs. Halfway lift, straighten your back. Then relax your head and roll up, rounding your back. Stretch up with your arms, feel the stretching. And arms down.